You've been assigned the task of finding typepad blogs. On behalf of your employer, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to complete this task. The first thing we need to do is look and see which keywords we need to use to find the typepad blogs. It should be located on the right-hand side of this page. Now we just need to go to google.com. We're going to be using a simple search operator to find typepad type of blogs. The search operator is if you have a type key or typepad account plus comments in parentheses and then keyword. You can find this search operator in the directions below. Copy and paste the search operator into the search box. The first thing we need to change is the keyword that we're going after. For this example, we're going to use tomato garden. Now we need to change the pound sign to 1. We're going to be doing this search query over and over again, and we're going to use a different number each time. What this does is it finds websites that have had at least this many comments. This allows us to save time and only look at web pages that already have at least one comment. This is going to allow us to see if they have a nofollow tag in the comment section. To start with, we're going to use 1. Next, we need to go to SEO for Chrome and make sure that we have the Show No Follow selected. Once we have that completed, we just need to go through each of the results and look to see if we can find the nofollow tag. If we find the nofollow tag, we do not want to include that into the blog's URLs list. But if it has no nofollow tag, then we do want to include it in the list. And we continue this process until we find the required number of blog URLs that's been assigned. This is what a good link looks like. It doesn't have the red dashed outline. This means that this link is actually going to point back to the website. Now, if we do see the red dashed outline around the link in the blog comment section, we can ignore this blog and move on to the next one in the list. We continue through the list of sites until we found as many sites as we can for this search result, and then we come back up and we change this to number 2 and do the search query again. We do this several times until we have the required number of blog URLs for this task. Once we are completed gathering the blog URLs, we're going to add it to the blog URLs page. We're going to type in the keyword and then in parentheses put typepad blogs, and then 1 per line we're going to enter in the URLs that we have found. Now that you've completed this task, it's time to move on to the next method.